Bill, Craig Keener published a book called Christobiography, Memory, History, and the Reliability of the Gospels in 2019. It's 743 pages, so we're not going to be able to cover all of it in this podcast, but I'd like to look at an excerpt from the introduction.
Okay.
And you know Craig Keener. Have you interacted with his work?
Yes, I have. I found Keener's massive 5-volume commentary on the book of Acts to be very helpful, as well as his 2-volume commentary on the Gospel of John. Keener is renowned for his encyclopedic knowledge of ancient sources, both Jewish and non-Jewish. He has an amazing knowledge of ancient history and literature, and he brings that to bear in all of his biblical commentaries.
You know, I was going to tackle this book, and I was looking at the introduction. I think what he says in the introduction could begin to answer some questions that listeners may have on ancient Roman history especially. And by the way, Keener says what you say, that the Gospels are best categorized as ancient biography. Isn't that pretty much the consensus, Bill?
I think so. As a result of the work of Richard Burridge, most New Testament scholars who study the Gospels have come to see them as a form of ancient biography, for example, similar to Plutarch's lives of famous Greeks and Romans. Burridge was able to catalog a list of what he called family resemblances of ancient biographies. And then he looked at the Gospels, and lo and behold, the Gospels exhibit most all of these family resemblances, so that they are akin to ancient biographies. And the significance of that is that these ancient biographies are not like novels or romances, but they have a definite historical interest in giving historically accurate information about the hero that is described in the biography.